Hey, Stormy. Wave. It's a video. Oh.
Put one on the internet.
Okay, jump off and go again.
Jump off, go. Yay! One more time for the video. We'll put that on the internet. Alright, here she goes.
Okay.
Jump out, go all the way there, all the way back.
Using her hands now.
Some of them.
Some of them.
Yeah, should get a couple in there with hands.
I'm winning.
Because here I come. You're winning. Here's the flag to turn around. You're not going anywhere, you know why?
I am too.
Where are you going?
This way. No, I don't care.
Who's gonna win? Good job.
Who won?
Me.
Why? Of course.
Because I'm going up to I won!
I hit the thing.
Nuh-uh, you're supposed to get up here to win. Remember?
No.
I'm going to try without the noodles.
Okay. You'll be fine.
Oh, she knows. She'll be... Just use your floaties. See?
Look at that.
Your face might go under a little bit, but just spit the water out. Try not to drink it.
No spitting.
I do it the doggy bone.
No, I don't know. Make sure she gets a treat when she goes in.
I'm going.
Doing good.
Without the noodle. On her own.
Yeah.
Own idea.
Without the noodle.
No noodle for me.
No noodle for me.
I'm almost there.
And stop her!
Oh.
Hey. Good job.
I'm almost there to win.
Oh no, I forgot.
There's
I
no
got one more
competition.
step.
Oh, got her.